Did you know that eating fat doesn't necessarily make you fat? That's right! One of the biggest diet myths out there is completely wrong, and today, we're setting the record straight. Welcome to today's video, where we debunk some of the most popular diet myths and explore the science of food. Stick around till the end because you'll learn tips that could transform your eating habits for good. There's so much diet advice floating around, but not all of it is rooted in science. Making informed choices about what we eat isn't just about following trends, it's about understanding the evidence behind the claims. So, what are some of the most common diet myths that might be sabotaging your health? Let's jump in. Myth number 1, fat makes you fat. This idea has been around for decades, but here's the truth, not all fats are created equal. In fact, healthy fats are essential for your body. They support hormone production, help you absorb vitamins, and keep you feeling full. Take unsaturated fats, for example. Foods like avocado, olive oil, and nuts are packed with nutrients that your body thrives on. On the other hand, trans fats found in processed snacks are the ones you want to avoid. So, instead of fearing fat, embrace it in moderation. A drizzle of olive oil on your salad or a handful of almonds can be a great addition to your day. Next up, myth number 2, skipping meals boosts metabolism. It might sound logical, eat less, burn more, but here's what actually happens. When you skip meals, your body goes into a sort of energy-saving mode. Your metabolism slows down, and your energy levels can plummet. Skipping meals can also lead to hormonal imbalances, making you more likely to overeat later. Instead, aim for regular, balanced meals and snacks to keep your metabolism humming along. Even something as simple as a piece of fruit with nut butter can do wonders. Myth number 3, carbs are the enemy. This myth has given carbohydrates a bad name, but let's clarify, not all carbs are bad. Simple carbs, like those in sugary drinks and processed snacks, can cause spikes in blood sugar. But complex carbs, found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, are a vital energy source. Complex carbs also provide fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. So, instead of cutting out carbs completely, focus on choosing whole, unprocessed options. Your body will thank you. Finally, myth number 4, detox diets are effective. It's tempting to believe that a juice cleanse can flush out toxins, but here's the reality, your body already has a detox system. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system work around the clock to remove waste. Most detox diets lack the nutrients your body needs and can even do more harm than good. Instead of going on a restrictive cleanse, support your body's natural detox processes by staying hydrated, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables, and getting enough sleep. So, there you have it. We've debunked 4 popular diet myths. Fat doesn't make you fat, skipping meals slows your metabolism, carbs aren't the enemy, and your body doesn't need a detox diet to stay healthy. The key takeaway? Don't fall for flashy claims. Instead, base your diet on science and balance. I'd love to hear from you. What's the craziest diet myth you've ever heard? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more myth-busting content. See you in the next video.